Hey y'all, it's Brian with Fossil Creek Kennels. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's raining like a son of a gun. We're under a tornado warning here in Fort Worth, Texas. We've had like 7 or 8 warnings so far. It's a little after 1 o'clock on Wednesday. We are getting, guys, this is not little bitty water. I mean, this is some heavy rain. The wind is gusting at times up to 50 miles an hour. I'm gonna walk over here and let y'all look at the water that's coming off the roof. I'm on the back porch. That's some water coming off that roof, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. Now this just started raining about 20 minutes ago. Extremely hard rain. My dad out here looking and seeing if it's leaking. Got to look like a little leak right there, Dad. Right there in the corner. We got a lake in the backyard. Oh, hey, there's a frog. That's on it. See that frog? See that frog? The frogs are even trying to get away from all the water. Oh, that's 3 inches of water in that fire bed right there. Actually, it's more than that because the sidewalk is 4 inches thick. And it's an inch rolling down the sidewalk. Every bit of an inch. Got a lot of water coming off that roof. Down through there. Water's coming about 1.5 feet off the roof. The reason why it looks so light out there is my flash is on, my light is on this video because it's so dark. It's out here. Yeah, light. If I covered it up, see how light and dark it is. Can y'all see that? My hand's over that light. See how dark it is? Boom, brings that light right out, don't it? Makes it look bright. It's actually dark. See? Hush! Lucy out there. Lucy out there barking. Barely hear her. Rain's lit up, lightened up a lot now. Y'all can't see her, but I can see her out there pretty good. She's out there standing in the rain like a goofy dog. Put my rain gear on and my hunt boots on. I guess I can go out there and... I can't take my phone out there. I got an iPhone. They get wet, it's gone. I just want to let y'all see. I know some of y'all like to watch the rain. I do. I love watching the rain. I like watching the thunder and lightning. I guess I'm a weather freak, a weather nut a little bit. Ah! Sorry, I didn't mean to yell at y'all. We're supposed to get some hail. I'm glad that ain't going to. That pretty little Ford truck of mine. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this off and get my rain gear on, go out there and take care of the dog. Love you. Peace. God bless you. Keep it off. Love you.